Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Learn is One. This is me, Ayesha Rizwan, and I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. So if you didn't subscribe yet, do it now, and I would really appreciate the one who are subscribing and supporting my channel. So in this video, I am going to teach you how you can create a table in MS Word. If you want some more details about the formatting, you can go and check my playlist of computer. There you will find all the details about MS Word and other like PowerPoint. So let's start. So I just from the insert button, first you will go to insert button and from table option you can draw the table. So it's up to you how many columns you need and how many rows you need. Like for example, if I need if I need three columns, I can just choose with three columns and three rows. So a table will form like that. See? This is the table I created. Now, if I need, let's just remove this one. If I need other table like with more than now we have 10 columns and one row. This is two row, three, four, five, six. These are eight rows actually. So if you want more than eight and more than 10 column, so what you have to do, I will teach you. Just wait a second. We will just make it separate. Now, from the insert, you will go to table and here you will write the number of columns. Like if I need 12 columns and 12 rows. So you see that 12 columns and rows will come. So this is one thing. This is according to your requirement, how many rows and how many columns you needed. Okay. Now, we also have some quick tables which is already created like calendar or anything like a template you see it. See, it's already created. Actually, it's designed. So let's design something like that, okay? I will just remove all that and I will design something like that. So actually, how many rows? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 rows and 2 columns. So it will be, I will create here, but here, sorry. Okay. So 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I will insert 9 rows and 2 columns. Okay, let's make it here. See, it's come now. And I will make it, firstly, let's just see how I'm doing it. From this, you will just press here the tip of the line. Okay, the edge of the line, and you will hold it and you will drag it again with the tip of the line, and you will hold it and drag it like this. Now here you will write items and here you will write needed. Just first let's write whatever it's written. We can just copy it. Copy, Control C and paste, Control V. Copy, Control C, paste, Control V, and then copy from control. Likewise, you will do it for all. You can also do like that, but that will be an advanced level. So let me just do with some basic level. So we will teach one by one all these things. So she is with me today. So you have to. Okay, we forget one. Let me tell you. Now you see that in case I forget one, what we have to do? We forget the books one. So I will just press the plus button and there you will have it one more. We will write here book and just we will delete this one. Okay. So 1, next we have 3, and then 1, 1, 3, whatever it is, just we have to write the same. Actually, we have to do like the same. Double tap. Okay, so double tap, and then from the borders, you will just choose the outside borders. Outside borders only. And inside, it's not inside. Wait, let me just choose it again. It's outside only. First, you will do one thing. You can also choose from the outside. Now you see that the borders are gone. Now from there, you will just choose the outside border. Now you will see it. So firstly, let me repeat this step for you. Control Z, I'm pressing. Okay. So double tap, and from double tap, firstly, you will choose inside borders. When you will put choose the inside border, all will go. Because the shade here is black. Okay. And this is black for the inside. Okay. So now afterwards, we will choose outside borders. So in the outside border, it will come. You can see now. Now for this one, I will press it, this full line, drag and just, and here, design, just do like that. And this line, you will choose from shading and just, this is that one, right? Okay. Now this font size will, again, you will drag and select all. And for the font, from the home button, you can just choose white color and make it bold. Control B and capitalize it as well. Capitalize each word. Okay, let me just select it and then capitalize uppercase. So now you see it's almost same. Now drag, let's drag it. So we created a table like this. The center one. So this is how, this is the center one. Let me just, you can also drag that one and make it thinner. See, this is how you can create. You can even just make the lines bigger if you want. If you don't want, you can just leave it. So this is how you can create a table and customize it in MS Word software. If you like the video, you have to tell me in the comment section. So I will make another video with this or other option. We have a lot of things in MS Word. We can create. I can also teach you how you can create resume. So you have to show me a good response so can motivate myself to show you to upload as much as I can. So wait for my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Will wait for your comments. Do subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.